In DeFi, safety isn't just about the smart contract audits, it's about the reaction time. When a protocol is drained, seconds matter, but most teams rely on slow indexes or manual checks. By the time they see the funds are gone, MEEF, the EVM event watched off. A high performance, real time security monitor built in Rust. Unlike standard indexers that lag behind, this directly listens to the mempool and block events across multiple chains simultaneously. Let's dive right into the application as you can see it right here. And I'll select it. Maybe let's just select all three of it. And the indexer will start. As you can see right now, we are currently monitoring all the chains. I can shift it right here to Ethereum or to Polygon. But right now we are just seeing Ethereum. Here you can see it normalizes events instantly and filters out noises, highlighting only the risks. Also, it hits my Telegram bot before even the next block is proposed. So this gives security teams the head start they need to pause contracts. Let's see right here. As you can see, to the latest, we have this medium security detail right here, and the more are coming. This gives the message details, the time, the severity, all that it needs to know. Let us see right here. We have seen the live function. Now let us simulate a live attack scenario. What will have what happen? So I'll activate the Chaos Monkey simulation. We have it right here. As soon as it loads, you'll see the TOI will go crazy with red and orange alerts. Instant notification sounds will be seen from the Telegram bot or the Discord message screen. It's up to the user which he selects. As you can see, the Telegram notifications are rising here very fast. Now, let's see. Immediately, as soon as we did this, we detected an infinite approval and massive unauthorized transfers. These alerts hit the Telegram bot before anything else. This gives the security teams a edge which they need in today's cryptoverse. Now, let's dive right under the hood to the architecture. As you can see, it's completely based on deployed in Rust. It is powered by Tokyo for async concurrency, Alloy for EVM integration, which is an improved version of EtherRS which has been decapricated. Ratat UI for zero latency dashboard. It is state safe, crash resilient, and completely open source. Let me show you the architecture. As you can see from the blockchain, the chain we have connected through WebSockets to the listeners. The listeners give the raw logs to our event normalizer, which gives the normalized events to the role engine, and from high definition matching takes place, which decides whether to alert manager or put it in memory state. And from the alert manager through the webhook, we just get our notifications on Discord, Slack, or Telegram. And from the in memory state, we have what we saw on the terminal UI. We have high signal hygiene. There is no there is a deduplication algorithms in there. There is filtering, there is render capping, and also there is failure handling. If the WebSocket disconnects, it triggers automatic reconnection. For back pressure, we have event processing is decoupled from ingestion to prevent stalls. And we have UI isolation, so rendering is entirely independent of ingestion. Now you'll ask, well, the in any chain there are multiple hundreds and thousands of these transactions. Where are all of them? Well, you can see right here. It manually generates a logbook which includes all the transactions. Well, these can't be shown on the TUI as there are too many of them, but these are very well usable in this. Now, for the next thing, we have this is our site landing page. As you can see, we have a terminal preview here, and this will take you directly to the GitHub. So, we all know that security shouldn't be a black box. With this EVM event watchdog, you can see everything. And I think it will be quite helpful for the wallets or other industries for them to operate on these and increase their security. Thank you.